In this video, I'll be sharing with you the best time to feed your broiler birds to get them to 3 kg in 6 weeks, just in 6 weeks. I'm changing the run from Papias Academy, and I am a broiler poultry farmer and I've been in the business for several years. And so sit back, relax, let's try. And from the very first day that my brother arrived, as in the very first day after the glucose, I'll give them their feed. After giving them their feed, after like 3 to 4 hours, because I will give them a very little feed in their feeder, that's the tray. I will just spread a very little food in their tray, then check on them from time to time to know if they are finished it. Because I don't normally like to waste feed, not just wasting feed. They don't like feeding, as in their feed to be on their tray for a very long time because they will definitely go inside it. So I spread a little amount of feed in their tray. Then after like 4 hours, I will still come and check if they are finished it. So I'll be doing that for the very first, from the day one to the very first week, then the second week. Then by the third week, I'll start giving them feed morning, afternoon, night, as in to make sure that they feed around the clock. I will come and check on them morning, afternoon, night. Whenever they finish the one I give them in the morning, I'll give another one in the afternoon. When they finish the one I give in the afternoon, then the one that I will give in the evening, that's around 6 o'clock, we serve them till morning again. That's the way I normally do it. Then when they have grown to 4 weeks, I give them their feed once in the morning, then once in the evening. That should be 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock till 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening. Then, but I will always make sure that their water is always available. In every stage, you need to make sure that you have your water available all the time, a steady water supply. Then, during hot weather, during a hammer time when the weather is very hot, don't give your broilers a feed at hot noon. No matter what it is, unless they are between 1 week, unless they are between 1 week to 3 weeks, unless they're above. If they are above that, always try to make sure that they eat before the hot noon. Try your best that and make sure that they finish their feed before the hot afternoon. If I'm thinking about whether you are to use a mash or pallet for your broilers, this video is for you.